this is the Burleigh walkway. Can you see the black basalt rock? Amazing. That's amazing. These plants, these yucca plants. Amazing. Here we are, look at this. Look at this beach. And skyscrapers beyond. There we go, nice one. So on up the hill. Catch a breeze. Look at that. Glorious. Here we go into the woods. A little higher, and that's the view. There's a tree through the roots, and then whoa, huge tree. There we go. Must be trees. So this is the Naya lookout point. What do you think, Naya? So this is looking back. Listen to the sound. Track. So look at this. Roots around these rocks. There the buttress. Look at that. This huge tree goes up and then it turns up towards the canopy. Massive, huge tree. Wow. So round into the sort of breeze in the trees. And up to this junction and we'll turn left. All the rubble. And there we are, end of the walk. Back on the beach. Lovely. Trust you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.